Okay, Roadster 6882 Factory 5. We have put in the clutch cable. So, I was making an earlier video. Sorry for the shake. I'm scooting on my side. But the other video disappeared. But what we did here was this clutch fork had slack. And it kind of rested over here. So what I did was I pulled it just kind of taut a little bit. And then slid in the adjustable screw. The adjustable screw, I hadn't done this before, so I put the adjustable screw in through this hole and tried to pass it through into this notch, and it wouldn't go. So what we had to do was remove this nut and then slide the screw through the hole into the back. I found myself pointing at the screen like an idiot. So this nut here, we took this completely off and then slid this through this hole. So I'm really not sure what this one's for, because we tried this one and tried to come in, but it wouldn't come in. So now it's taut here. Let's see, that's fit in there, and then up top at this clutch quadrant, I had it in here in this position, but it seemed to be a little loose. I was already trying to adjust the clutch cable, so I was able to get it down into this one. And to do that, oh, and a note, while it was up here, I did press the clutch, and it really didn't feel good. It felt like there was a lot of slack, and then it was kind of hard to push in. So I got it down into this position, which you can see there, and once I did that, it felt a lot better, the clutch, as I moved it in and out. I'm not sure where this bracket goes. This attaches onto the engine somewhere, just to hold the cable stable. I was kind of looking for it. I'm not sure where that goes. I'll find that. With pushing in the clutch, now that I'm able to get in here and press the clutch, I'm hearing some noises. That's in, pulling it back out. So I'm thinking it is the throwout bearing sliding on the retainer. I'm not really sure. So will that go away? Is there something I should be doing? Ahead of time? Or once everything starts spinning, should it lubricate it and just not worry about it right now? Maybe that's what I'm thinking, is get it running and maybe it'll go away. Maybe just be the initial rub, because everything's new in there. But, you know, just makes you wonder. Alright, so that's the clutch cable. I'm going to leave it like that right now. What I don't know is, should I put Loctite on the threads where the nut is and try to secure that, or because it's somewhat tight on there, will that hold the nut in place, the adjustment nut on that threaded rod? Or should I put a jam nut? So right now I'm going to leave it as it is and kind of look into that.